says, seek wise advice. It says, listen to advice. This is Proverbs 19 and 20. And accept discipline. And at the end, you will be counted among the wise. Anybody here got children? Proverbs 19 and 20. Listen to advice and accept discipline. How many times have you wanted your children to listen to your advice and then after that, accept the discipline?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
At the end, you will be counted among the wise. If they just do what you say, they'll have some wisdom under their belt. They won't make as many mistakes. And that's what God is saying. The wise people that He's put in your life, the wise counsel that He's put in your life, listen to them, accept the discipline, get the understanding, and you will be counted among the wise. Because now you are practicing what you